right, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your biodata from BBL Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes,
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand. Yes, mom.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, I'm willing 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, mom, no.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
Mom,
Do you have
pardon?
tattoos in your skin?
No, no, I don't have mom.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, mom, I'm healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes,
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
yes, I agree, mom.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, mom, this my first time working abroad in Saudi Arabia. Since 2014, then I my contract
Okay. So why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
uh I want to work there because I want to experience another country because I'm working in Middle East. It's Arabic, and then I want to try in Malaysia
All right.
to get more experience.
You've been in Malaysia for 8 years, right? So it's not new for you to work as a domestic helper, correct?
Yes, yes, girl.
All right. So what is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
Being a good domestic helper, um, you work hard and you respect your employer. You you work hard. Yeah, that's all.
All right. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Uh, I'm Maria Vernalin Laguna Pamaybay. I live in Philippine, Davao City, and I'm willing to work in Malaysia. That's all, mom. I'm
Okay.
sure.
So I need to know some few more details from you first. You are single or married?
I'm single, mom.
You have children?
No, mom.
All
I
right.
don't have.
So okay. So when is your birthday?
My birthday is July 19, 1985.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 feet, and my weight is 62
What?
kilogram.
Okay. So what is your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm undergraduate in college in BSBE.
All right.
Second,
So
2 years only.
2 years. All right. So how many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother and one sister. We have all three in my sibling.
What is your rank in your family? In your
I'm the
sibling? You are
eldest.
the eldest. What about your mother and your father? How old is your mother and your father, and what is their occupation?
My mother is 60 years old. She is a housewife, and my father is also 60 years old, 63 years old. It's a farmer.
All right. So your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. According to your profile and according to you just a while ago, you worked in KSA way back 2014 to 2022 for 8 years, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
finished your contract. Um,
Yes,
how many total family members inside the house?
6 and their family, ma'am.
Are you the only helper or do you have companion?
Before we have two, and then the other Indonesian they go home, and then I'm only one work for almost 7 years.
All right. So what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in KSA?
Uh, I'm 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 cleaning the house. I'm feeding their children. I'm also taking care elderly, the mother of my employer, and then I do breakfast in the morning. All around, ma'am. I clean.
Okay, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes. Yes,
How
all
many
around.
children you take care?
Uh, for ma'am, but not all children because the youngest is when I come is 5 years old.
So which one you take care? How old is the child that you take care?
All of them, ma'am.
Okay, so you focus on which child?
The youngest.
The 5 years old, is it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
All right. So after that, you take care also an elderly.
Elder.
How old is the
Yeah.
elderly that you take care?
82.
Female or male?
Female.
All right. So what happened when you decided to go back home in the Philippines?
I decided to go back in the Philippines because I want to start my I want to start my new life here and do business, but it's not work, ma'am. So I decide to go back again in another country because my my financial is not stable. I need to go work in abroad.
All
I
right.
need to go back abroad.
After 2022, do you have any working experience or you stay in the Philippines?
I'm staying in the Philippines only,
You
ma'am.
work as what?
No, I have a small business, but it's not worth, ma'am.
Okay, 2022 until recently, what kind of business you do?
I have a
Sari-sari store.
s- yes.
Vendor, you are a vendor. Okay.
Mm,
So working abroad is not that so easy, most especially when you work as a domestic helper. This is a very tough one. You already experience it. But I would like to
mm,
let you know that working here in Malaysia is a huge difference, okay? Houses here
yes,
is very big one. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. So you need to expect those unexpected things, okay? You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you
yes,
ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes. I'm ready, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I do cook Arabic food and Moroccan food.
All right. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
can.
comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. We have in the Saudi Arabia.
All right. So this is a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, you cannot handle your job anymore, or you feel homesick, there is no such a thing that you can go back home easily. You will going to
Yes,
sign a 2 years contract, and once you breach your contract without cause, there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
yes, ma'am.
Alright, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. This is a strictly no go out policy. Are you okay with it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay.
We don't force people to come here. I have mentioned many times, if you dislike our terms and conditions, better don't come here. Don't give us problem. You have a lot of choices. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 4 years. So how are you gonna deal your homesickness later once it is attacked you?
I can handle, ma'am, because I'm working in Saudi Arabia 2014 and 2022 until 2000. I go back. I one time only I go vacation. 2016 only.
All right. Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to
Mm,
give a better future for your family at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. But here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
I
I
think that's all
understand.
for now. Thank you for your time, Maria. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay. Thank you
Yes, ma'am.
so
Thank
much and
you.
have a good day.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
ma'am.